Hey there, future doctors! Today I'm going to break down two key quantitative tests for proteins in urine that you'll need to know for your medical practice: Esbach's test and the Pyrogallol red dye test. Ready? Let's dive right in. First up, Esbach's test. This test is all about protein precipitation using picric acid. You'll need Esbach's reagent, which is basically a 1% picric acid solution, and an Esbach's albuminometer, a special graduated tube that comes in a wooden cover. Here's how you do it. Start by diluting your filtered urine sample with distilled water until its specific gravity is between 1.006 and 1.008. Make sure to note the amount of water you used. If the urine is alkaline, switch the reaction to acidic with 2 drops of 22% acetic acid. Now fill the Esbach's tube to the U mark with your diluted urine. Add Esbach's reagent up to the R mark. Gently invert the tube about 12 times to mix it. Put the stopper back on and let it sit for 24 hours. After that, you can read the height of the white protein precipitate in grams per liter. Don't forget to adjust for any dilution. Keep in mind, this isn't the most accurate method, but it's a good start. Alright, let's move on to the Pyrogallol red dye test. This one's a bit more precise. The principle here is that the Pyrogallol red molybdate complex forms a violet-colored compound with protein at pH 2.5. You measure this at 600 nanometers using a spectrophotometer. It's super sensitive and works for both urine and cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. First, you'll need to prepare the Pyrogallol red dye reagent. Dissolve 10 milligrams of disodium molybdate, 5.9 g of succinic acid, 134 milligrams of sodium oxalate, and 430 milligrams of sodium benzoate in about 800 milliliters of distilled water. Add 25 milligrams of Pyrogallol red dye and mix until it's completely dissolved. Top it up to 1 liter and store it in an amber bottle at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius for up to 3 months. For the procedure, take 3 milliliters of your prepared reagent and add 50 microliters of your sample, standard and control to separate tubes. Mix well and let them sit at 25 to 35 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Set your spectrophotometer to 0 with a blank sample at 600 nanometers. Then measure the absorbance of your standards, test, and control. And there you have it. 2 key tests to help you quantify proteins in urine. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be mastering these techniques like a pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.